Hey everyone, Shawn with RaptorAddiction here. We're going to get started on putting some stickers on the Ford logo on this tailgate here. We got our graphics from the Rocky Mountain Graphics to match the Velocity Blue color, so it's going to look pretty sweet. We're going to first clean this, these raised lettering with the isopropyl alcohol, get rid of all the dirt, dust, any sort of debris that we may have on there. We're going to put the decals on, squeegee everything out. Hopefully it turns out pretty sweet. Okay, we're going to start by applying some isopropyl alcohol just to the lettering to clean it up a little bit before we put the stickers on. So just put a little on a paper towel. Just go right over. You really only need to hit the raised lettering where the sticker's going to be. Don't need to worry too much about any of the other stuff. Okay, we've got number 1 right here. This is the R. So we'll want to peel the backing off on this. Like so. Be really careful not to peel up the decal from the backing sticker. Now we're going to kind of line this up where we're going to want it. Actually looks pretty good there. Okay, our next step here, we're going to go in and squeegee. I'm just using an old license here. Yeah, try and flatten everything here. Make sure it all sticks. And then what we want to do is we'll just fold this piece of paper or this sticky paper on the front over. Make sure that the bottom actual decal is staying, and we're getting rid of the waxy sticky paper on top. And we'll just peel this back there. There might be some little edges that need to be folded over. We'll want to make sure everything is stuck to a surface. So if there are edges peeling over, we'll want to make sure those stick to the plastic there. If they don't, some dirt can get underneath it, and then it'll peel up and it'll just look awful. So let's go on to the F here.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching Raptor Addiction. Please give us a like and a follow. See you next time.